Today we're going to talk about TitanWax ParaNatural 57115. The 57115 is a paraffin soy blend of wax that is characterized by its white and silky texture. It's perfect for a high-end candle. We have optimized this blend for excellent fragrance throw, good glass adhesion, and it also possesses the ideal burning qualities for a high-end candle. How you actually use this wax is we first start with heating the wax to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. We let that sit there and be at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 5 minutes. We want to look down in the vessel and ensure that it's actually truly melted. At that point, we can stir this wax. Since it's a multi-component blend, we'll definitely want to stir it a little bit, add the fragrance at that point, keep stirring for approximately 2 minutes, and then pour this candle in between 150 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit into a preheated jar if possible. Cooling is very important. Please cool this in a temperature-controlled and humidity-controlled environment if possible. Now, as far as a wick recommendation, we ask that you reach out to your wick supplier, let your wick supplier know that you're using a hybrid candle blend that includes a big portion of soy and paraffin, and also let them know the fragrance load that you intend to use in each of your candle products, and they can steer you in the right direction on the proper series of wick to start your testing. Feel free to use this link on our website as an additional resource, and thanks for watching, and thanks for using TitanWax.